We'll guide you through how to unsubscribe from all emails in Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Gmail. So if you're anything like me, you found that your inbox is just getting full up with different promotions, different subscriptions, and different general mailing lists. And so you want to go and start clearing this up and stop them coming through. I find that it really goes and congests my email inbox, and it means I can easily go and miss important emails that I'm expecting to be coming through or that I need to go and read, and I end up not because there's so many other emails coming through. So we've got a comprehensive guide on how you can go about this, so make sure this full guide, don't skip around because I'm going through important things throughout this entire video. So to go and get started in Gmail, you want to go over to the left and you go and press inbox. So what we're going to do is start filtering out the emails you want to go and do this with. So you can go to the top where you can go and press search mail, and you want to go and type in unsubscribe, because these emails are going to be promotions, general mailing lists, and the type of email that we're trying to go and clear up. So go and type that in and you can go and press enter. Now it's going to go and start detecting them. So what we can now do is we can go over to the left in this search box and go and press on the search options. You want to go down here and you can go and press create filter like so. And we can then go and start by first of all selecting skip the inbox. So now in the future, when you go and get an email which goes and says unsubscribe, it's not going to put it in your inbox, it will skip it out. Next, we can go and create a label for this to go and help identify it. So you can go and press choose label and press new label. And you can go and name this what you want, whether that's subscriptions, promotions, or other, name it what you want. So I'll go and name it subscribes or subscribe like this. And then you can go and press create. And then what you can do is go and select also apply filter to matching conversations like so. This means that it's going to go and do it for emails which have already come through and are in our inbox, as well as future ones as well. So with those options selected, you then want to go and press create filter like so in the bottom right. Go and wait, this will take a moment as it goes and sorts everything out. So then what you want to do is come over to the left and you can go into the label and you can select it. Now they're all going to be in here and future ones are going to be put in here as well. So the next thing we can do is you can go and hover over the emails you want to go and start doing this with, and Gmail should go and detect these are promotions. So for example, this one here from John Lewis, when I hover over it, we go and get unsubscribe. So you can go and click on it like so, and it then says you have to stop getting these messages from this mailing list. To unsubscribe from this, send it to other mailing lists, you need to go to manage subscriptions. So what we can do is go and press unsubscribe, and as you can see, we're now unsubscribed. I'm now going through the list and I'll keep repeating that, hover over it and you can go and press unsubscribe like so, and then press unsubscribe. What you may want to do is start deleting these from your inbox as well. So for example, I want to go and do this for all John Lewis emails I've received. So what I could do is go and right click on the sender name, go down and you need to find the option for find emails from, and you can go and click there. And then what's going to happen is it's going to go and filter for emails from John Lewis here. So just make sure you aren't deleting anything important as well, because we are going to be deleting all of these. So make sure it's going to be a permanent thing. So what you can then do is you want to go and press the select button in the top left to go and select them all. What's important is if you don't get this pop-up here about selecting all, you need to make sure the search is set to most recent. If it's set to most relevant, you won't go and get that option. So make sure you go and set it to most recent. Then you can select them all and press select all. And now they're all selected as I've got more than 50. And then at the top here, you can press delete, confirm the decision, make sure you're sure. When you do this, they're then going to be moved to the bin and trash. So you can actually still go and recover them for a bit, but after a certain amount of time, they will be deleted from the trash and bin. You can go and see here that it may take a few minutes for this to go and happen as well, so do be patient. And then what you can do is go and keep repeating that from your subscriptions. You can go and find a sender you want to do this with, right click on it, and you can go and press find emails from. We can go and see them here, we can select them all at the top, and then we can go and delete them, like so. Then we can get back by pressing into the label, like so. If you really wanted to, you could go and delete all emails in here as well. Once again, there can be important things in here, so make sure you're sure about this. But if you're sure, you can go and press select all at the top, like so. Then what you can do is press select all, and then what you can do is go and delete them all at the top. But make sure you're sure about that. And once you've done some deleting, if you want to go and clear up the storage right now, you can go and empty the trash and bin right now, but you may want to just go and wait in case you decide you need to go recover an email. You have got a bit of time there before they're permanently deleted automatically. But if you want to do it now, press more to the left, find the trash, and you can press empty trash now and empty it now. So there we go. Hopefully now you managed to go and clear up your inbox of those promotions and you manage to go unsubscribe. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.